With which of the following statements would be the passage be likely to agree? The passage inscribes that researchers believed a panda may do that so that its black ears will look like another pair of eyes against the white fur of its neck. So there is nothing about the relation between ear and neck. Rather, ear and eye against the neck is mentioned. So choice A is incorrect. The panda wants to threaten other one starting with its head down, not with eyes to eyes, which is not mentioned anywhere in the passage, and so choice B and C are unfit to make sense. So we can eliminate choice B and C. In the first line, it is clear that pandas have facial expression, but they do not use it like other bear families. So option D is also incorrect and eliminated, as it is mentioned that their black ears look like another pair of eyes. So it is clear that option E is relevant as correct answer. So we can accept choice E because their black ears look like another pair of eyes against the white fur of its neck. So the correct answer is choice E.